Main memory. The main memory is part of the main computer system. The processor, also known as the CPU, directly stores and retrieves information from it. This memory is accessed by the CPU in a random fashion. Types of main memory are RAM and ROM. Secondary memory is much slower and also less costly. It stores the data permanently unless it is erased. The secondary memory is usually available in the form of floppy disks, storage media, hard drives, CDs, DVDs, and USB flash drives.
RAM is random access memory. It is used for memory that is readable and writable. It can be implemented in many technologies, e.g. SRAM and STRAM. RAM is used by a processor to store/write data and load it back. The contents of RAM are volatile. They are forgotten when the power is turned off.
ROM, read-only memory. Read-only memory, ROM, doesn't forget when the power is turned off. The contents are non-volatile. ROM provides random access, like RAM, but it cannot be written to once it is set up. It is used to hold fixed programs, such as the Bootstrap program, in a PC.
The BIOS, the built-in software that determines what a computer can do without accessing programs from a disk. On PCs, the BIOS contains all the code required to control the keyboard, display screen, disk drives, serial communications, and a number of miscellaneous functions. The BIOS is typically placed in a ROM chip that comes with the computer. This ensures that the BIOS will always be made available and will not be damaged by disk failures. It also makes it possible for a computer to boot itself. Because RAM is faster than ROM though, many computer manufacturers design systems so that the BIOS is copied from ROM to RAM each time the computer is booted. This is known as shadowing.
Bootstrapping comes from the term pulling yourself up by your own bootstraps. In computing, the bootstrap loader is the first piece of code that runs when a machine starts, and is responsible for loading the rest of the operating system. In modern computers, it's stored in ROM, but I recall that the bootstrap process on the PDP-11, where you would poke bits via the front panel switches to load a particular disk segment into memory, and then run it. Needless to say, the bootstrap loader is normally pretty small.
Thank you for listening to
Main memory.